Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Dynabook Tecra laptops with 12th generation Intel Core vPro processors. So friend, Dynabook announced it has refreshed its performance, reached 14-inch Tecra A40-K and 15-inch Tecra A50-K laptops to benefit from new hybrid architecture, 12th generation Intel Core P series 28-watt processor options and Windows 11 Pro. And friend, that 14-inch Tecra A40K is performance-rich laptop for today's work from anywhere professional, and measuring just 18.9 mm thin. This laptop delivers the productivity, maximizing workspace with a vibrant 14-inch narrow-bezel display, webcam with privacy shutter, backlit keyboard, and large ClickPad with optional fingerprint reader. And friend, these laptops are configurable with new hybrid architecture, 12th generation Intel Core P series i5 and i7 processor, optional Intel Iris Xe graphics, and up to 64 GB of memory. And friend, Intel graphics ensure crisp and smooth video performance and support for up to 4 external 4K displays. And friend, both Tecra laptops feature Wi-Fi 6E and Thunderbolt 4, making wired and wireless connection faster than ever. And friend, full size HDMI, gigabit LAN, 3.5 mm audio, and USB-A port as well as micro SD card slot provide convenient adapter-free expansion. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the Tecra A40K price at 1019.19 USD dollar and A50K price at 969.99 USD dollar. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.